Welcome back to the Hills of Slovenia. Take care of some chicken eggs here as soon as there we go. Finally been able to grab the box. And I don't know if this is going to count against me as far as, like, you know how the pallet count is and 22. Yeah, I don't know how many of these I can have without it, like, saying no more room or whatever. Anyhow, we'll get them sold sooner or later. And here is the lovely mess of trees. I've started to, in the last episode, I just cleared all of what you see here from the branches, and I didn't have enough time to get to the rest of this, so excuse me. So I figured now would be as good a time as any to get to actually working on this. Alright, you're gonna be a pain, ain't you? There we go. Anyway. Apparently I can't operate a chainsaw and talk at the same time. Hold on a second. Okay. I am going to continue to debranch and chunk up the trees, and since our fields have not grown yet, I figure when they do get grown, we can actually stop what we're doing here and get over to the trees. There we go. That was annoying me. But yeah, we work over here until the fields are grown, work the fields, then come back here. So I don't know how many episodes this is going to take, because this is wind up being a bigger lot than I thought. So I'm going to quit yakking and jump in and get my hands dirty. See you at the end. Well, it's just not too much longer now. Just got these small... Oh, that you're over on the other one here. Okay. Just got this small bushel to do here. Yeah, I probably already went up that branch. Anyway, let's try this one. Whoops. which tree are you coming off? Well, I ain't. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, some of these branches are off this tree here that we apparently climbed. Are you any branches on you? No. Wait. Who's got branches? You do not have branches in my presence. Alright, you hairy toothpicks. I thought I got you. And that's probably why I couldn't get them. You don't have access to this land. I want to cut my tree down. Okay, well, you're gonna be like that. Alright, I see we are going to have a problem. Okay, is this pretty much... Is that pretty much it? I can turn this chainsaw off finally? Well, besides you, hold on. I can... Can I drop you right here? Nice. Oops. Okay. Oh, the exception of that little bunch right there. Anyway. Now... okay. Here's a little bit better of the trees that I was talking about. These first three right here can stay, I don't know, about this one, but these others can go, except for those back yonder ones and these ones lining the road. I was going to keep going because I don't know why I turned all the way around. I wanted to decorate, leave some trees for decoration anyway. How much is a stump grinder? As soon as I find it. Yeah. Oh, forestry. There we go. Ooh. This stump grinder's not bad. I've used this before. Raven or Ravensburg, whatever map that is. So yeah, that's and I think I got this over in Newlands. I think it's on 19. I know it's on 22, but let's see. No. I needs me a stump grind. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. Is there... probably no such thing as a mulcher. And if there is, I have no clue where it's at. Anyway. We now own a stump grinder. Whoa, I thought you were a little further away than that. Okay, leave you here for a second. Coming around, driving on you because you're moving too slow. Oops, wrong direction. Okay, let me get it. Of course, you know it's not going to be equal, but you know. Hey, you want to get right up in there? Yeah. Okay, I'm done playing around. Why do I turn the wrong way? Hey, let's chop cars in half as they go by. Oh, wrong direction. Come on. Whoops. Anyways, I could probably use something like this over in bare rock logging, but I already got a stump grinder to speak. Okay, is that all of them? Is that all of them? For now. Oops. Okay, can I set you down like... Thank you. Well... Oh, hey. Look what just came up. How many just came up? That's the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of them. Soybeans and canola. Soybeans on this side and canola over on this side. Anyway, guess what we get to do in the next episode. But yeah, anyhow, I'm going to leave the episode here. Excuse me. I wonder if the wool's supposed to spawn like right in here or something. I don't know. Because I only got one sheep and it's not showing crud right now. Anyway. I'm going to end it right here. You see what we have to do in the next episode. Harvesting. And what, you think I spread food on the ground here for you? You might be eating small pebbles, but yeah, go for it though. Anyways, y'all take care of yourself. I'm out. Peace.